Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my final fireworks fun video. The last day, I think it's the 31st of August, and it's cold out here now. I think in the 70s, and it's a little windy. So this will be the last one. Because I always say I'm coming to see it, but then I'll get sleepy. And then I decide, well, I'm not going. Am I going? No, I don't think I'm going. And I get all excited. Well, I guess I'll go. So, oh, wait a minute. Let me see here. Maybe they took a break. It's after 9. It starts at 9. It goes from May to August the 31st. Well, that was short. Let's see if it'll start back up again. Oh, I don't see anything. I wanted to do the last day or Saturday at all, but I just don't have the energy. I don't see anything happening. Let me see. What's going on for a while, then it stopped. Then I see a whole bunch of lights. A bunch of lights right there. And then there's a whole bunch of lights around there. Okay, I'm waiting for it to kick back up. I don't see anything. And it's about 9:15, I think. I see a bunch of lights, but I don't see the fireworks. So, let's see. I see a whole bunch of lights. The video is not showing what it looks like in person. Uh-oh. Maybe there was a glitch. Okay. I don't want to stop the video, then have to restart it again. But usually it's one display after the other. And all of a sudden it just stopped. So, no fireworks has stopped for the last almost 5 minutes. Okay. Well, I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to wait a few minutes, and if it starts back up, I'll do another video. Thanks for tuning in for the fireworks fun.